You'll get the hang of it.
I have so much to learn.
Hey, I meant to do that. Maybe I'm finally getting the hang of this thing.
Hey, I think I'm getting the hang of this.
Look, I don't know who you think you are, or what you think you're doing, but don't. Yeah, maybe sometime we can get together and...
Well, I guess we're even. What are you gonna do now?
What I always do? Survive. Hey, we should get together sometime. You know, to make nunchucks.
Sweet.
Start the car!
Stop the bar?
The car! Start the car!
Oh, okay. Come on.
Get in here, get in! Okay.
There they are.
Attention employees, Randall Bob has just broken the all-time scare record.
Huh? No, I didn't. Get out of my way.
I can't believe our buddy's dead.
I know, and it's so sad. He left his family with nothing.
Yeah, Lois had to sell her clothes to get by.
I know we've had some difficult times lately. We've had to struggle just to get by.
We have a confirmed hit. Target was destroyed.
You'll get over it. I seem to recall you prefer to work alone.
You used to be fun!
Kevin Costner used to be a movie star. Get over it.
Let's get this over with, Ryder.
Where are we going? Oh.
Give it to us! Give it to the pirates!
You know what? No one gets the sticker.
Sacre boo!
No, nuh-uh. No booing, stop, no. No one gets the sticker because you're all being jerks. I mean, why can't you just get along?
Because we hate each other.
That's kinda how rivalries work, class.
I can't be around you right now. Well, I can't be around you.
I know, Hockey. Why can't they just get along?
Now let's get on with our really big show.
Come on, let's get on with it, please! I must see something soon!
Get ready to jump, Sven.
You don't tell him what to do.
Hey!
I do! Jump, Sven!